So it happens again. This nice guy from Alberta was kind enough to give us a ride home. All right, here's my tech tip. One-man wheel alignments. Use a bungee cord, strap a little bar across there, and then when you're on the far side, you can take your measurements. All right, this works so good, you can do it with one hand because I'm filming with the other one, and bam, snap a measurement. Same thing on this side, one-handed. Same piece of tread on this side, and we can see we're about a half-inch off of too much toe in. If you happen to be driving a 72 Pinto and the brakes completely go out while you're racing down the road, put a new master cylinder in it. Here's that telltale sign why I think it's a leaky master cylinder. Because it's leaking. Well, no. If you put a new master cylinder in something, bench bleed it. What that means is don't pump the air in here if you install this directly in the car right away. Fill up the reservoirs, run some tubing, run it back into the reservoir, pump it in here. You can watch the air disappear. When you've got all the air out of this system, it makes bleeding the actual car way easier. Trust me. So, get this done before my little brother comes. Because I'm going to make him drive it. Sucks to be you, Sterling. Because that Pinto smells. Alright. And just like that, no bubbles. I can push this. Fluid just moves around. No bubbles in there. That took half that cylinder down in volume. So we'll top it up. Go throw it in the car. Cheers. Oh God, I hate camera work. Anyways, I was cleaning up the shop and came across some manifold gaskets, and I thought I'd show you guys. So here is your stock 5-liter Ford, and here is an FE motor. That's the difference between small blocks and big blocks. Sometimes the heads from the factory are just a little bigger. This episode of Make It Last Garage is brought to you by Girls in Smelly Cars.
Let's go!
Darn you, tiny car, go faster!
Go faster!
That's a spider down there.
There's no seats or a floor. The finish line is in sight. We're almost there. Be quiet, I'm sleeping.
Shush, I'm driving.
Right, I think it's supposed to have seats. This is ridiculous. No one's gonna laugh at this.
Yeah, whatever.
Rip it and rip it.
What is that smell?
I don't know. It's a Pinto. Another day to sprite! For the record, doing the master cylinder sucks when your exhaust is upside down. Had to pull the header off. Oh! Probably wondering why I'm doing this in the dark. It's supposed to be a half-an-hour job. Had to pull the lines off. Had to pull the header off. Oh! V8 Pinto, not much fun to work on. I still have to bleed the brakes. I'd like to go to bed. Whew. All right, this is for the wheelbarrow shed championship run. Trevor, on your mark, get set, go. He had flip-flops, no less. It's the final hill. It's the final hill. Does he have anything in the tank? Here he comes. Oh, gotta cross the line, gotta cross the line. Oh. All right, here we are.
I don't want to do this.
The second competitor in the World Cup of Wheelbarrow Racing, Jonathan Hall. On your mark. Get set. Ready? Go. No points for tipping. Oh, he's losing time. Don't hit Bert. Oh, he's on. He does not opt for the shortcut, but his hands are sweaty. Here he comes, the final straight. Oh, he's running out of gas. What does he have left in the tank? Up the hill. And. Oh. And the results are Trevor wins by 3 seconds.
Hold.
Again.
Hold. We're on hunt for the Gavin Monstrous. It's He's chasing me. He's chasing me.
She lives. Just need to figure out how to get a air cleaner under there. It's a little bit. She's a little bit high. Found a solution to my air cleaner problem. I'm going to cut about that much off of my old Edelbrock air cleaner. Should be just enough to clear the hood. Boop. And it's done. Little cutoff wheel action. Exactly how Edelbrock imagined it would go on. Zip ties. I can't believe Dad leaves his car stored with me.
You're gonna hit me.
All right, so this is 1934 Ford Victoria that I started years ago, and thanks, Jonathan. When did you climb in there? So, 34 Ford Victoria I started years ago. We gotta get this thing going. All right, the F100 let me down again, broke the throttle cable, but that's not gonna stop me. Sooner or later, we're gonna get on that 34.